Hey guys, it's Ben from Hilltop Packs, and the problem with ultralight fabrics is they can get small pinholes, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily repair them at home or even out on the trail. So again, one of those side effects or consequences of using ultralight fabrics, whether it's Dyneema, EcoPack, this is the DTR 75, this is the heavier EPLX 200, they can all get small little pinholes. But you don't need special tape to repair them. We do sell tape that we actually make ourselves, and I'll kind of go over that towards the end of the video. So if you want to buy some higher quality tape, you can certainly do that. But you can repair your bags with some other things that you may already have at home or even have on the trail that you're carrying with you. So I just want to kind of give you guys a couple different options. So any ultralight fabric that has a laminated layer on the inside, like Dyneema or the DTR 75 or the EcoPack EPLX, anything that has like a liner on the inside that's smooth, you can use a variety of tapes. Now there's special tapes that you can actually buy online, a couple different places. Myself, I've been backpacking for I think 12, 13 years, something like that. I've actually, before I started Hilltop Packs, I used to just use packing tape. I would get home, maybe my Dyneema bag would actually rip or tear, not rip, but like get a couple pinholes. I would use packing tape and it worked just fine. It lasted a long time. It's super aggressive adhesive on that tape and has like kind of a mylar outer shell, which is super durable. But in time, it does kind of like, it did kind of wear off over the years. It did start to kind of slide a little bit, maybe from the heat and the cold going back and forth. I'm not really sure, but it did kind of start to peel off over time. But it worked for a very long time, so you can use packing tape. Next thing you probably already have on the trail is duct tape. To cover up a pinhole on the trail, duct tape works great. It easily sticks to the inside of your bag, no problem at all. The downside to duct tape, because it does work great, but over time with the heat and cold going back and forth, it will start to slip a little bit, and you're going to get some gummy from that adhesive kind of slipping out, or the outer layer of the duct tape starts to peel away, and you get that gummy stuff inside. It will kind of gum up the inside of your bag. So there are a couple other Dyneema-based or mylar-based tapes you can buy that are specific for this kind of stuff, that have the right kind of adhesive that can handle the hot and cold cycles, and it's not going to slip, it's not going to ease out, it's not going to peel away, and it's not going to get all gummy inside your bag. And we do sell that stuff, of course, which is why I'm making the video. You know, we do have to sell some of our products here at Hilltop Packs as well, but you can repair it in the field very easily with some very simple tapes. You don't have to buy the expensive stuff. But this is the exact stuff we actually seam tape all of our bags with. We make the tape right here. It is a mylar-based tape. We also do make some Dyneema-based tape, but for ease of use, as far as like, you know, repairing on trail, most of the seams we're using, with the exception of our backpacks, any of the dry back stuff sacks, we do use a mylar-based tape, and we make it right here. We apply the adhesive to it. We have a cool little rack. We actually cut them into strips. These are available in 50-inch strips. They're just a little bit longer than 50 inches, but we sell them in 50-inch strips. Super lightweight, easy to cut with scissors or a knife, easily applicable to any Dyneema-based or EcoPack-based dry bag, stuff sack, or food bag. Anything that has that smooth layer on the inside is perfect for our tape that we have here. Now this is like I said, it's a mylar backed adhesive. The adhesive is pressure sensitive. It's perfect. Not perfect, that's the wrong way to use, wrong thing to say. But it can handle the hot and cold cycles without changing the characteristics of the tape and how it bonds to your bag. It's going to last a very long time. So it is available on the website. You can check that out. But again, you don't need to. You can use duct tape. You don't have to have the fancy, I'm not sure why I have that. You can just use regular duct tape here, or again, packing tape does work really well. The only problem with these two things is they won't last forever. They will start to slip and peel away, and you're going to have that gummy adhesive after a certain amount of time. So hopefully that video helps you out just a little bit. Any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Glad to help out any way that we can. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.